Hello, I'm Mr. Smith, and this is Learn to Code. So far, you've learnt about the basics of creating and running a Python file. Over the next 7 lessons, you will learn how computers can categorize and store data. You will learn how to create multi-line print statements, make your computer carry out calculations, store data in the computer's memory, use variables to access and change data, and how to get input from users to create programs that are interactive. At the end of this section, you will create your very own pointless information program, a bit like this one. Let's watch it work. So it starts out, please answer the following 3 questions. What's your name? I'm going to say my name's Fred. So this is the computer asking for input. At the same time, once we press enter, it then saves that value we entered as a variable. How old are you? Well, I'm going to be 21. And how many kilograms do you weigh? We'll go for 72. So it's asked for 3 different inputs and it's stored 3 different values. And now it's changed some of those values. So if you were a shy person, when asked your name would probably say Fred. But if you were a lively person, you would probably say Fred. If your teacher was hard of hearing, you would probably say, my name is Fred, Fred, Fred. You have been alive for over 6 billion? It's a lot of seconds. And if I moved to Mars, I would weigh 27 kilograms. Okay, let's get started. Go to 2.1 strings and learn how to create art with ASCII.